Hello, I am going to show you how to install the ebook manager program Calibre for Windows computers so you can convert and send your digital books to your e-reader device. Unfortunately, most devices only read specific file formats that can be hard to acquire, but Calibre can convert files automatically and make this a lot easier. By the end of this video, you should be able to do this for any digital book you want. Before we proceed, let's make sure we are ready to begin. It would be best if you already have your downloaded digital books or files that you wish to convert and send, as well as to have your e-reader device ready to be plugged in where required to your computer or laptop by making sure that you have a data transfer compatible cable. Oftentimes, chargers included with any e-reader device will be data transfer compatible, but some rare exceptions may occur, which means you may need a different cable. Alright, let's roll. To get started, we will download and install Calibre. Calibre is completely free and safe to use on any computer, but I completely encourage getting it from the official website. If you type calibre-ebook.com/download on your web browser search tab and press enter, it should immediately direct you to the official download page. Here, there are listed multiple operating systems. We are using Windows, so we will choose that. On the Windows download page, we will select the download version that better fits our computer version, which older Windows devices may need to look at the notes for a compatible version. If you are on Windows 10, I recommend either version 7.26 listed below, compatible with any Windows 10 computer, or the latest version, which may not be compatible with all earlier Windows 10 versions. For Windows 8, download version 5.44. For Windows 7 or Vista, download version 3.48. All versions are visually distinct, so you will be able to follow the next steps no matter what version you use. We will select the version that better suits our computer, and we should be able to see the file on the Downloads tab of our web browser. Once finished downloading, select Open. Accept the terms and continue, and then press Install. We do not need to interact with the advanced options. Keep the Launch Calibre option box checked and press Finish. It should open the program automatically. For first-time users, Calibre will prompt to choose the language. I will choose English for mine, and we will press Next. Now, it will ask what device you are using. If you're unsure, however, keep it on generic e-ink device. In my case, I have an Amazon Kindle basic model, so I'll choose that. We'll press Next again. Some choices may prompt a special screen where we can do additional things, but it is never required. Press Next to skip over to the next part. Once we are on the congratulations screen, we press Finish and we will be sent to the main menu. Now, plug in your e-reader to your computer. You should see new options like Send to Device and Device pop up on the toolbar. This signals that Calibre has successfully connected to the device. Next, press the Add Books option up here and search on your computer's file explorer for digital books you wish to send. Once imported, you should be able to highlight your book in the main menu. Select Send to Device on the top menu. If prompted to auto-convert before sending, make sure to press Yes. Once it is done sending, a green check next to the title of the book should indicate that it has been successful. You can double check by checking the Device tab, which will display every book available on your e-reader library. At last, just unplug your device and enjoy your new book, now ready to read on your e-reader. Have a good day. Bye.